Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge Princess Polly fall clothing try on haul for you guys. I'm super excited about this video. It's technically my first fall haul for 2022. It might be my second on my channel, but nonetheless, I'm really excited. I have some great fall staples that you guys need in your wardrobe. Thank you so much to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I will have all these items linked in the description box for you guys to shop, along with my discount code, which is HFESTAL, for 20% off your Princess Polly order. If you guys didn't know, Princess Polly ships from the US, and you can get free express shipping to the US on orders over $50 US. And they also offer ShopPay and AfterPay to all US customers. So if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna start off with bottoms. I have a few and I'm kind of bummed because 2 out of 3 don't fit me, so. Okay, starting off, I have these black jeans. They're super cute. They're distressed, cut out, I don't know. And then they also have like fraying at the bottom. They're so freaking cute. I got these in a 2, which I'm normally a 0 to 2 in Princess Polly jeans. I'm always a 24 in denim, so I feel like that's a 0. Yeah, so usually I'll do a 0 or 2, but I saw in the reviews that these run small, so to size up. But honestly, I would say size up a couple sizes, because if I reorder these, which I'm strongly debating, I'm gonna get them in a 6. And yeah, so it's kind of sad. These are called the CC Hammer wide leg knee ripped jeans, black denim, and I got these in a 2. But yeah, super cute. I'm really sad about it. I'm actually literally going to reorder these in a 6 because they're too stinking cute and I'm really upset about it. The other pair that didn't fit me are the Macy pants in black, and I got these in a 2. I'm dumb. I mean, this is like faux leather, you know, it's not a lot of like give. So I should have sized up on these. My fault. But I'm gonna reorder these as well. But these, I feel like would have fit me perfectly if I would have got my correct size, because like lengthwise. See, I didn't try these on in the haul, but I'll throw up a picture of what they look like on the model. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I've gained weight or I've just had bad luck with the pants in this haul, but I love them. I mean, they're a great quality faux leather, and I'm gonna be reordering them because, I mean, these two would just be my literal fall staples. Like, that's all you need is a pair of black distressed jeans and faux leather. All right, last bottom. I actually got these to go with an outfit that you guys will see later on. But these are the Recycled Fibers Rowan Basic Knit Shorts in an extra small in beige. And I saw the model wearing these with a top and jacket that I'll show you guys later. So I thought I would try them out. They're super cute. They fit really nicely. But yeah, I really like them. They're super comfortable and the material's really good. They've got some stretch to them. You could pair this in so many ways for the fall, but like I said, I did it with a little crop top and a flannel over it, and it was super cute. Next up my little light just died on me, and it's gonna take hours to charge it, so we're just gonna roll without the light. I hope that's okay. Hopefully the lighting's decent. Should be. Okay, moving on to tops. First one is what I'm wearing. It's so stinking cute. I love this one. It's so flattering. I don't know the name. I'll have it on the screen and obviously linked. But it's just a black long sleeve. I got this in a 2, and it's really flattering because of the cutout right here. I love like super crop tops that don't have like a lot of fabric at the bottom because my torso is so short. But this one is like still like, you know, it's got some fabric to it, but it is cut out. So I love this one. You can wear this with literally anything this fall. I think this is just like a perfect fall staple to have in your closet, just like a normal basic black long sleeve top. You can wear this with denim jeans. You can wear this with colored jeans. You can throw a flannel over it or a jacket over it. You can wear it with leather pants and dress it up. I don't know. I needed it, and I'm obsessed. It's probably one of my favorite items from this haul. It isn't a Princess Polly haul if I didn't get a Becca long sleeve crop top. This one's in red. I get these in a US 4. You just can't go wrong with this. Like, this is just, if you don't have one of these, you're missing out. It is the most flattering thing ever. I wear mine all the time on rotation for going out. I have the orange one, the green one, black, brown, red. I feel like I'm missing a color, but I needed this and I really wanted to wear it with those black jeans. I tried it on for you guys with the black jeans. You can see they don't button, but or the leather pants. I thought it would be such a cute little fit with some sneakers. The most basic top you can own, but it's so versatile, and I wear mine all the time, literally all the time. Next top is what I got to go with those little knit shorts. It's the classic crop tee in beige, and I got this in a US 4. Another basic fall staple to have. I mean, this just screams like fall to me because the color is just a beautiful beige, and you can wear this with literally anything. You can layer it, you don't have to layer it, you can make it very casual, you could dress it up. I don't know, super cute, just a great basic to have in your collection, in your closet. And I know the shorts aren't like a perfect beige match, color match, but I thought that the flannel that I'll show you guys tied it in perfectly. So next up, I have the Tatum top in brown in a US 4. I mean, this is just absolutely stunning. The color, fall, of course. The faux leather, I'm obsessed with, you guys. And I love corset tops, like love, and Princess Polly has so many good ones to choose from. So I really like it. Very flattering. I would say size up. I feel like I might could have done a 6 in this. Maybe not though, because I like it to be a little tighter across the chest. But normally I'm in between a 2 and 4 for tops from Princess Polly, but since this was a faux leather, I knew it wasn't gonna have much give. So got that. Love it. I have another like dressier going out top. This is called the Aubrey top in black in a US 4. This is also stunning. It kind of like hangs off your shoulders a little bit. It's this beautiful like sateen material. This is just absolutely gorgeous, super flattering as well. Again, this material doesn't have a lot of give, so I wouldn't size down. I would stay true to size, or maybe even size up one depending on your cup size. But this is stunning. I am so obsessed. I'm actually going out of town this weekend to Boone and Blowing Rock, and I am going to like some nicer spots, like dinners and stuff. So I'm actually going to bring this. I'm actually going to bring a lot of this stuff because it's so stinking cute. So love this. This one's so cute. It might be one of my favorites as well. It's called the Recycled Fibers Joey Top White in a US 2. And it's not gonna really like show up on camera. Like, it's not gonna do it justice, but you guys will see it on. It's super cute. Don't even know how to like show this to you guys on camera, but it's a super crop top, and you guys know those are my favorites. So I love this top like so much, and I need the black one now, but I didn't get any white tops in this haul, so I thought I would get a white one. But again, perfect for the fall. I feel like with some brown jeans or like brown leather pants or like black denim, blue denim, I feel like super cute. Last top in this haul, I have the Bridgerton top in beige in a US 2, and this one fits really nicely. I love the detailing on this because it's got like these like little pearls, and it's got ruching down the side. Super flattering. I normally don't like beige stuff on me, like it's just, it washes me out, but I've gotten a lot in this haul, so got out of my comfort zone because I feel like beige is just such like a cute neutral to have for the fall time. I don't know, let me know how you guys feel about that, but that's how I feel at least. Moving on to some flannels. First one is called the Angelo Flannel Quilted Jacket Multi in an extra small. I feel like I have 3 of these from Princess Polly. This is the best thing ever because it's thick, like it's not like your typical thin flannel. It's got like quilting in it, so nice and thick for the fall if you live in a colder climate. I love it, and the colors are just stunning. It's got like different shades of brown, tan, beige, and I love it so much. Like I said, I wore it with those shorts and that beige crop top, and it was so cute. I just don't know what shoes I'd wear with it, so let me know what you guys think. But you can wear this so many different ways over so many different items. Next flannel I have is the Nora shirt forest green in a US 6. I don't know why I got this in a 6. I think I meant to get this in a 4, but it fits. Maybe I wanted it oversized, but very thin, which I love. I love like button-up shirts like these. I mean, you can wear this with literally anything. I love flannels in the fall. Like, that is like my wardrobe. Like, I feel like they're so easy and so effortless and cute and comfortable, and I love green, so I had to get this one. Like, I could even wear it over this shirt right now. I love it. All right, last two flannels. I guess these are all flannels. I don't really know. I call them flannels. I know the green one was a flannel, but I don't know about these two. It's called the Ryland shirt, and I got it in pink and black, and both in a US 4. So this is what they look like. It's kind of like a corduroy material-esque almost. I don't know. Super cute. I love this shirt, and I love pink, so you know I had to get it in pink. However, I still feel like it's great for the fall because it's like a muted pink. It's not like a bright bubblegum pink, you know, so love it. And then I also got it in black, and I'm obsessed with everything that I got. All right, you guys, that is it for today's huge Princess Polly try on clothing haul for fall 2022. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have a link to Princess Polly's website in the description, along with all the items that I mentioned in this video. Don't forget to use my discount code HVESTAL for 20% off your order. Also, don't forget that Princess Polly ships from the US, and you can get free express shipping to the US on orders over $50 US, which is 3 to 4 days. And they also do ShopPay and AfterPay for all US customers. So thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring me on this video. And head over to my Instagram for some Instagram pictures in one of these outfits. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.